Hey guys, Zach at Quaid Harley-Davidson, Loma Linda off the 10 freeway. We're in the back office now, just kind of doing the interview part of this whole thing. We wanted to start making videos for you to show you a plethora of different things. Tech tips for your motorcycle, storage, what to buy and how to buy it, why, product reviews, not just on motorcycle parts, accessories, but clothing, helmets, gear, jackets, glasses, all kinds of things. I'm a rider. I've been riding for a little over 26 years. Lots of my friends ride, obviously. Most of the dealership rides here. So we all have like insight and opinions on what works for us and why. And we share that with our customer base quite often, but we wanted to come at you, that might not be able to get out of the house, or it might be midnight and we're not open, to tell you, how to reset your fob or override your ignition so you can keep going, or what problems are normal on the road to look for that are easy fixes to keep moving. And there's a bunch of that stuff out there from a lot of different people, some good information, some not. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to show you, what it is, how it works, why we like it, on the tech side of things, with reviews on helmets, jackets, clothes, chaps, boots, sunglasses, gloves, just your normal riding gear, products that you buy for your bike, and all of those other things. But also, like I said, tech tips for the evening, stuff that you'd be wondering, how do I do this? How do I put my bike in transport mode? How do I override my security? And for some of the new guys, or some of the guys that might not know and have spent a bunch of money on products that they didn't like, or that didn't quite fit the way they wanted to, like myself, and have a stockpile of stuff that they can't use anymore and can't sell for what they paid for them, what you should buy, when you should buy it, and how you should buy it. We'd like to interview that for not just myself, but other riders, customers alike, and like I said, show you why. We're at Quaid Harley-Davidson. This is where we work out of. We're here more than we are with our families. So we'll come up with everything that you'd want to see here. Any feedback is extremely appreciated, and go ahead and click that like button and subscribe. Thanks. Zach at Quaid Harley-Davidson.